Parrot was one of the first companies to make a splash in the consumer UAV space when it released its R2.0 drone back in 2010. Now, just a few years later, it's back with the Bebop, a smaller, smarter, more camera-focused drone, priced at just $500. The Bebop promises many of the same features as drones that cost twice as much money, including GPS and streaming video. But can it really compare to more expensive UAVs? We took it for a spin to find out. You'd never know, just from looking at it. But Bebop is a pretty feature-packed little drone. Under the hood it boasts 4 brushless outrunner motors, a 1,200 mAh lithium polymer battery, an HD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GNSS location tracking, GPS and GLONASS, and a boatload of other sensors. Flight time is pegged at around 11 minutes, and it ships with 2 batteries, giving you about 22 minutes of airtime total. If other drones are oak trees, the Bebop is a reed. It's got brains too. Dig deeper and you'll find Parrot's P7 dual-core CPU, a quad-core GPU, and 8 GB of internal flash memory. All this, and the whole thing doesn't weigh more than 400 grams. Apparently big things do come in small packages. The drone comes ready to fly right out of the box, and all piloting is done from the user's smartphone or tablet, through Parrot's accompanying free Flight 3 application, available for you. And if there's one thing we learned from this drone, it's that build quality and durability don't necessarily go hand in hand. Let me explain. The Parrot Bebop doesn't feel sturdy. Many of the parts are made from cheap ABS plastic, and much of the camera housing is made from styrofoam. The battery pack gets strapped onto the drone with a slim Velcro strap. The whole thing looks and feels undeniably flimsy, but I'll be damned if it isn't a durable little quad. Parrot has made some really smart design choices here. Rather than designing the drone from hard, rigid parts, it opted for lightweight and flexible, which is brilliant. If other drones are oak trees, the Bebop is a reed. It bends and flexes a little bit, so in the event of a rough landing, it's far less likely to crack or break apart. On the first few flights, I decided to fly it.